Amerika, pinalibutan na ang Iran. UK, nagpadala din ng kanilang mga fighter jets sa Qatar. Dagdag pa dito ayon sa pinakabagong balita na sa palibot na ng Iran, ang iba't ibang mga military asset ng Amerika, maging ang destroyer, cruiser, aircraft carrier, maging mga nuclear attack submarine. Nag-deploy na rin ang United Kingdom ng kanilang mga fighter jets sa Qatar. Itinaas naman ng Israel ang kanilang paghahanda at depensa dahil ang pagsalakay ng Amerika ay mangyayari anumang oras.
Look at me, China, Korea, Vietnam, Taiwan, Japan, Philippines, and America. So China, pasabugin mo ng Philippines for atomic bomb targeting to Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, Metro Manila. Sabayan mo na ang Amerika kasi ang Amerika is busy to Iran war and all military here hard. Ganon, samantalahin nyo ang losing. Hindi mag-aantay nyo matapos ang Amerika sa Iran. Naggaganap ng aking miracle and sacrifice to the Christ for prophecy, Iran, Israel, America, Strait of Hormuz, Philippines, China, Korea, Vietnam, Indonesia, the UK, Australia, and the beginning to World War III. Before the finish, Philippines, China, Korea, and Japan here running to World War III. And before the Iran, Israel, and America. So where are the Sorry America, Philippines, hindi kasi kayo nagbibigay sa akin ng mga ransom for 100 million US dollar and 100 million Philippine peso. So Strait of Hormuz, I'm ordered for war to international in fire and religion. You know, not just right good in one religion and one good nation, but true respectable. Because it's a battle, I believe Jesus Christ, because all image. But Israel and Jerusalem is the first na Godland, but this is very important. Iranian government don't open a Strait of Hormuz now April 2020, the end of April, because America has final World War III in your city, damages and died people. Merong iPhone ng America for mobile company and electronic, pero wala silang oil supply like Strait of Hormuz in Iran, because our country in a simple thing made and whatever personally works. Although sa for Jesus Christ, President exists ka naman. Iran, wag kang pumayag. Isara mong Strait of Hormuz, Russia, Korea. Hindi kayo dapat magsusupply sa American Philippines over there because of all beliefs, right? Against me is the person. You know what? At ibabasura kayo ng Amerika sa NATO. At dapat lumaban na kayo Iran military, government, Russia, and China. You're combined to battle of America and this Philippines in South China.